Hi, I'm Afif Nahas, engineering and MBA student, graduated from Hariri University. I'm currently working with MEA as a maintenance engineer. Attending RHU was a life-changing experience for me. I had the opportunity to learn from talented and experienced faculty members, which prepared me for my career in aviation industry. What impressed me the most was the emphasis on practical skills, which allowed me to lay a solid foundation to my critical thinking. The faculty members at RHU are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about teaching and mentoring. They challenge me to push my limits. I feel confident that knowledge acquired at RHU will continue to serve me well in my life. Join RHU for a stronger connection to opportunity.